Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Venom Relief Cream. So basically, this is a pain relief cream, and it claims to just apply on parts of your body that has pain. You can just apply this cream, and they claim that you can get relief from the pain. Now let's head on over here to WebMD to get the rating on this one, which is actually just 2.6 out of 5-star reviews. So other people said that about mine, wrinkles, and I've started lifting my face. Alright, looks good. Depends on where you buy from, and that is basically it. So it actually depends on where you buy it from. So some users experience this does nothing, and it was more than advertised. 2 jars of Wart small skin tags. Each jar was less than half full on opening. Big no-no after using both jars up. Not a single change. The skin condition very disappointing. So there are a lot of mixed reviews on this one, but however, the bad reviews outweigh the good reviews. So basically, do not buy this product. You can just buy pain relief from your local pharmacy, and just to make sure that this one is fake, let's actually look at the reviews here. So as you can see, these are rated 5 stars, a lot of 5 stars on Amazon, which actually comes to light here, which they say that it actually depends on where you buy from. So actually, if you buy here from Amazon, it actually seems pretty legit. So it actually depends on the type of person using it. So if it's maybe it doesn't work for you, maybe it works for some other people. So I advise you to not risk buying it. So it is pretty expensive, on $16. So I advise you to just buy a pain relief from your local pharmacy, because if you buy from that, you make sure that it actually works and is safe to use. And yeah, that is basically it. That is my review on Venom. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.